Hi, Mommy. This was our first date together, but you didn't know I was there yet. I really wanted to surprise you. Surprise! I was so small, but your big, big heart made me grow and grow and grow. Is that bacon? I'm so hungry, Mom. Bacon, 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 bacon. I want to eat all the bacon in the world. Oops. Morning, Sickie. Sorry, Mom. I hope you feel better. It's okay. You are still the prettiest. Oh, Mommy, look at me grow. Look at this, Mom. Close open. Cool. Growing with you is so much fun, Mom. I love our stretchy date and our yum yum date. Happy rain! Cool. But I think I just want a nappy date for now. I hope the rest of me grows soon, so I can hug you and I can kiss you. For now, I'll just have to dream about it. I love you, Mom. I love you from our very first date together. And I just love you more and more and more. Hi, Mommy. It's our 40th date together. And today, we're on a doctor's date. Can you see me, Mom? What's that?
It's a girl.
I'm a girl. I love growing, Mommy. Oh no, I'm sorry your pants don't fit anymore. Your shoes too. Don't worry. One day, I'm going to give you the biggest hug. For now, I hope you can feel this. I want you to know I love growing with you. You've given me a happy pool. And the prettiest eyes too. I love being your little girl, Mommy. I promise, no matter how big I get, I will always be your baby. Hi, Mommy. It's our zillion date together. And today, we're on a picnic date. Whee! Ooh, look at these things I've grown. Look at what I can do. Oops, sorry, Mom. It's getting really tight in here. I've had the best time with you, Mommy, but I think I'm ready to come out. I might not remember all our days together, but I want you to know you did a really good job. Thanks for sharing your ice cream and reading to me and letting me listen to your la-la-las. For giving up the bad things you like and giving me the good things I need. Thank you for my eyes, my ears, and my nose. Thank you for my hands, my feet, and toes. Thank you for my heart. And most of all, Mom, thank you for your love. I love you, Mommy, and I can't